to reset Messenger PIN on PC. So if you want to reset your Messenger PIN on your PC, then what you need to do is first you need to log into your Facebook or your Messenger. And once you've logged in, if you want to reset your Messenger PIN, you need to just simply go with the top left, which has that three dots, and then go with security and privacy. Once you've selected, you need to click on end-to-end encrypted chat, and then you need to go with message storage. Once you're on your message storage, here you will have an option of restore chat history. You need to click on that and then enter your one-time code or enter your PIN to restore your chat history. Once you've entered, your chat history will be restored, right? You need to again go with the three dots, go with privacy and safety, and then end-to-end encrypted chats. And now you need to go with message storage. And here you will have an option of reset PIN. You need to click on reset PIN option and then create a new PIN. After entering your new PIN, again confirm your new PIN. Once done, you can see on the bottom it says resetting your PIN, and your PIN has been reset. So that's how you can reset your Messenger PIN on your PC. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.